What's up, everybody? I'm your host, Bubby Gunner. Welcome to the GPT Zone, and today we're going to be discussing how to write the perfect image alt tag with Chat GPT for your website. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is go over to your website, to your library, choose an image, download it, go over to Chat GPT 4. You're going to need to train it first. You're going to ask it, what are image alt tags? When it answers you, now it knows that you're going to be talking about this subject. Then you're going to prompt it with, okay, I'm going to upload an image, and you will give me an example of an amazing SEO image alt tag for it, okay? And ChatGPT says, sure, go right ahead and upload it. So then you go down, upload your image, and ChatGPT gives you a perfect SEO'd with your keyword image alt tag. All you got to do now is copy it, paste it. I like to put it in my descriptions too. It saves automatically, and you are done. That's it. If you get value out of this video, please like it, subscribe. Look down in the comments for the link to subscribe to the channel. Be blessed. Have a nice day.